Computer. Hi, my name is Kristen Kazan, the CEO at ScaleStack AI. So our mission is to provide D2C e-commerce brands with an AI copilot for growth. We find that most founders are drowning in spreadsheets. You have your Shopify sales in one file, your Meta ad spend in another, and your TikTok analytics somewhere else. You're tracking likes and followers, but you have no idea how it all connects to your actual profitability. Today, I'm going to show you how we fix that. We'll use one of our core tools, Julius AI, to replace hours of manual spreadsheet work with a single 30-second conversation. So now I'm going to share my screen and show Julius AI in action. So here's our starting point, a problem our clients face every day. We have two separate reports. First, our Shopify sales data for October. Second, our meta ads data for the same month. The question is, how did our ad spend actually affect our sales each day? And what was our marketing efficiency ratio, or MER? Answering this in Excel would mean lookups, pivot tables, and a lot of wasted time. We're going to do it in one click. So I pulled up Julius AI right here. And so first, you're going to drag your SCV files of your Shopify data and your meta ad data and put it into Julius AI. For this tutorial, I don't have a data, so I'm just going to show you what to prompt it next. So next we're going to say merge these two files using the data column, using the date column. Then create a line chart that plots total sales and ad spend on the same graph. So I would have my SCV files linked, which are the data files for Shopify and Meta Ads. And then I just go ahead and prompt the system with this button right here. And just like that, it's going to give us a perfect visualization. But let's get to the real financial KPI. I'll ask a follow-up question. So my follow-up question is going to be, using this merge data, create a new column named MER by dividing total sales by ad spend. Then tell me the average MER for the entire month. So I'm going to go ahead and type this down. Using this merge data. Merge.
Yo, I started watching the Houston versus like Riverdale Live together that season now.
Vibing
Now we lost the OT. But like it's looking crazy. Like I'm now watching.
by ad.
It's because I know all the kids on
Okay.
the team.
Tell me the average MER for the entire month. Okay. So we would submit this answer right here. And then, for example, it's going to say that the average MER for October was 4.4, which that would be the marketing efficiency ratio. So this would mean that our D2C brand made $4.2 for every $1 spent on ads. We can now use this as our core KPI. We can ask Julius to break it down by campaign, by ad, or even compare it to our TikTok data. This is the first step in building the full profitability dashboard we implement for our clients. So as you can see, Julius AI is incredibly powerful. Let's cover the pros and cons. The biggest pro, obviously, is speed. It turns complex data analysis that would take a founder hours of spreadsheet work into a simple 30-second conversation. It's also fantastic for non-technical users. You don't need to know formulas. You just need to know what the question asks. You need to know what questions to ask. Finally, it's great at visualization. You can ask for a pie chart, a bar graph, or a line chart, and it generates it instantly for your reports. This means you don't need to spend hours on Excel charts or anything else. You could type it in 30 seconds into Julius AI, and it can give you the data you would need. Now for the cons. First, the AI can sometimes make mistakes. If you upload messy data or ask a vague question, it might merge the files incorrectly. You still need to understand your data and check the AI's work. Second, while it's great for most D2C brands, it can get slow with extremely large, complex data sets. So if it's, for example, tens of millions of rows, it might get messy and it might give you incorrect data. But for 99% of e-commerce businesses, it is the perfect tool. So this is our website, ScaleStack AI. Julius AI is just one of the tools we integrate into our profitability dashboard. If you are a D2C founder and you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling your brand profitably, visit us at ScaleStack AI to book your free, no obligation strategy call. Thanks for watching.